Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can build a goal tracker in Notion. So simply go to your Notion and from the left panel go to templates and simply search for goal tracker. Here you get a bunch of templates and you can select any template according to your needs or anyone that looks more appealing to you, but I'm going to select this one and simply click add to my workspace and select your desired workspace, and it will take a while to set up. And as you can see, a goal tracker has been added into our workspace. So this is a template that we can use to track our goals, and this is how you build a goal tracker using that pre-built template. So that was it for today's tutorial, guys. In this tutorial I taught you how you can create a goal tracker in Notion. So until next time, goodbye.